everyone. I think we're on Vlogmas Day 6 now. It's a sunny Friday morning, the start of the weekend, almost. And I'm gonna start off this day with a little walk this morning. I think I'm gonna get Dunkin' because I actually just saw a promo code on TikTok. You can get a free medium iced coffee at Dunkin', and I was like, might as well. Even though it's cold outside, I looked at the weather, it's not gonna get any warmer before this promo ends. So I'm gonna order it. If you're seeing this before the 14th, that's the last day, it is Wallows X Dunkin', and you can get a free medium iced coffee. Go for a little walk, drink my coffee, be cold and happy and caffeinated, get some movement in. I am a little bit sore. I went to Rumble last night for the first time in a few weeks, and my legs are a little sore. This is the Wallows X Dunkin', so also stream their music to support. Okay, I'm gonna put the flavor down to 1 instead of 3, which was the automatic. Okay, it was $1.50 because I got 2 add-ons, and I'll go pick it up and go for my walk. So happy Friday. I love buying coffee out on a Friday and every other day, but especially Friday morning, something about it. That's actually so good. Which is the one I would recommend. Okay, my newly package came. It actually came in 2 bags, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Here's the first bag. I already put on one of the coats. I feel like it's been more limited stock recently. I don't know why. I say that because some of these sizes wouldn't be my first choice, and the pieces are a little bit iffy, but we're gonna see what we can work with because this is what I got. So this is a Free People coat. I actually love, well, it says Free People, but the brand is Vigos, which I think you can get elsewhere. But this coat is so cute. I've had it bookmarked for a while. It's also not as heavy as I thought it would be. It's actually pretty light, but I still think it might be pretty warm. But it's this long kind of teddy brown coat. It has pockets, and what's cool about it is it has a zipper going all the way around the middle as kind of a fun detail. I wish it kind of zipped off. Would that be cheesy, like those cargo pants from middle school? But still a cool concept, but it is, you can't unzip it, it's just there for looks. And I'll probably be wearing this a lot because it's neutral and it goes with a lot. So yeah, I got this in a large. I probably would have gotten a medium, but the large is, I guess, good for wearing bulkier sweaters and layering. So it's all good, but I think a medium would have fit better elsewhere. This coat, just getting it out of the way because I actually already ordered this one and I loved it, so I got it again. This time they didn't have a medium again, so I went with a large, and last time I think I had a medium in October when I got it. I'm gonna wear this probably when I go home for Christmas. It's by La Biz, her Sherpa motorcycle coat. Yeah, this one's definitely baggier and has more room for sweaters, etc., like I just said. This would be cute with a big scarf or something like that. Okay, this one I'm actually worried about. I think it's gonna be too big based on the reviews. People said it was so oversized and swallowed them, etc. I don't think it was a large, but I really couldn't find anything comparable, and I was like, oh well. English Factory, it's this oversized Sherpa coat. It's definitely big and cozy, but I don't think it's like, does it look like a bathrobe? I would keep it open, and I think with the right outfit, it could be cute. It's definitely much nicer, like the inner lining and everything. It's much nicer than I thought it would be. And they have this in other colors, I think, but it's cute. This is so fun. I've been wanting to wear more chocolate brown pieces, and this is a Blank NYC kind of fuzzy brown coat. This is also in a large, but I feel like I would have gotten that regardless because it said it was running small. This is definitely more fitted. I mean, it's a little bit difficult with the hoodie, but it's definitely more fitted than the other ones. And it's so freaking soft, you guys, and it's brand new with tags. So I'm so glad I got to wear it new because it looks so sleek. And it's kind of cropped. It's like at the waist. Definitely size up if you want some space in it. Got these jeans from BDG, and I don't love them. Honestly, I should have known because I've never really had great experiences with BDG jeans. They just don't fit me great. They look fine, I think, and they actually don't feel bad now that they're on, but they are tight around the thighs. They have zero stretch, and I just don't think I don't know, I don't think I'd be comfortable in them for a long time. It might be stand-up jeans only, but they are so cool because they have this like leg slit in the front. Can you see? And they have this fun flare, and I like the wash and the color and everything. They're high-waisted. I don't know. Jeans are always a gamble though. Okay, and this last piece is so fun. This is a coat from NVLT. It's a large, and it's this furry house. Dude, this is so over the top. It's kind of giving Cruella de Vil, but in the best way. So soft, gray houndstooth pattern, and it's long. It goes to your knees pretty much. It's got the folded lapels. This is such a fun winter look, I think, especially around the holidays. As much as I do love my neutral coats, as you guys saw, I also love a fun pattern sometimes. So I think this will be warm. I think that's all 6 of the pieces that I got from Nuuly this month. And yeah, I always have a referral code in the description box if you guys want to sign up and try Nuuly. It's like a set price. I think it's $80 a month for 6 rotating pieces. You get to have them for a whole month, and every month get new stuff. So it's a great way to try new clothing without committing and paying full price because you're just renting them. Let me know if you guys are Nuuly users, if you also saw a shift in the whole inventory thing this month, or if it was just the stuff that I had bookmarked. I filmed the TikTok when I got ready, and my friends and I are trying to figure out our plans tonight. I'm gonna murder this tripod. I'm trying to like figure out plans with my friends tonight, but everyone's kind of all over the place. So I don't know if that's gonna work out. I'm going to happy hour. Well, it's not quite happy hour, but we're getting drinks at like 6:45 with a gal named Avery that I met last week at my management dinner. She lives in the city too. She was super sweet, and she messaged me on Instagram after the dinner. She's like, hey, so good meeting you. Like, we should get drinks next week. And I was like, sure, why not? We're going to Rowies in the West Village. They are known to have a good happy hour, which is why I suggested it. But it cuts off at 6, I realized, after we had already decided to go there. So, oh well. It's dark out now, so not the best of lighting, but I'm just wearing a casual outfit. My outfits have not really been my best lately, but I wanted to wear this fuzzy comfy coat, so that was the main thing, and the rest is just neutral. So yeah, I'm headed to West Village, and afterwards we'll see where the evening takes us, but I believe I'm gonna meet up with my friends somewhere downtown. But TBD. And full moon looks so cool. I mean, it was full yesterday, but pretty full, and it looks a little bit eerie. It's definitely been affecting me, but also I'm just out of whack, so I'd like to blame the moon for it. So, okay, let's go. Okay, I just realized I didn't film anything at dinner, drinks, whatever. We got a couple snacks, but it was so fun hanging out with Avery, and now I'm headed to East Village. Not the bus station lighting. Okay, it's freezing outside. It's 37 degrees according to the bus station. I'm waiting for the bus to go from the west side to the east side. And I can see it at the light. Try not to freeze. It'll be done. Saturday morning bagel run. Let's go. Face rolling, had a bagel, made some coffee, getting my day going and having a relaxing Saturday morning, which I love to do. But we're going on a little adventure later. So my friend is coming. She's looking at an apartment in my neighborhood. Then after that, we might just go to a sports bar or a pub or something in the neighborhood and watch the World Cup game. It's England versus France. We're gonna go down further into Brooklyn to the Diker Heights Christmas lights. It's this famous neighborhood in Brooklyn that does insanely over the top big outdoor Christmas light displays, and I have always wanted to go since I first moved here, and I never have. So I think we're gonna try and do that today once the sun goes down, which is at like 4 p.m. And then I'm meeting some other friends for drinks later tonight at like 9 in Manhattan. So that's the plan. Drinks with Avery, who I'll link her TikTok down below. She like makes TikToks with her dad, and we have the same manager, and I talked about that already. But she was so sweet, and it was like good just to chat. And from there I went to East Village and met up with some friends at Amsterdam Billiards Club, which was a really cool space. Tons of pool tables, they have a bar, they have darts. Honestly, I must have gotten there at like 9. Wow, I'm just realizing how long I was there. This is when we put our name down to get on the billiards table, and we were waiting for more people and stuff, and the guy told us it would be 35 minutes. And it was most definitely like an hour and a half later, and we were just chilling, like having fun, talking, hanging out at the bar, like playing darts and all that, so we weren't like pressed about it. But I looked at the clock and I was like, it has been a long time and this man has not called our name. So we decided to forego that. So the billiards would have been fun. I think we should have just like made a reservation earlier or something, but it's all good. I'm terrible at pool anyway. But yeah, it was a very fun night, and I got to see some friends that I hadn't seen in like months. And then I got home at 2 and went to sleep. I actually watched some of Wednesday before I went to sleep, and I was like, I should not be watching this in the middle of the night. I'm excited to have kind of like a relaxed day, hang out at a bar, watch the game, just, you know, chill, and then go do something Christmassy that I've always wanted to do in New York. Today's SantaCon, which I will be avoiding at all costs. I'm not trying to yuck anyone's yum if you're still in your SantaCon phase, but I am not, so we're trying to avoid that. I'm thinking an outfit like this. I think I might keep the pants because they're actually quite warm, the leather pants, and long sleeve black sweater, and I think it looks kind of nice with this camel brown coat. The shoes I think are too much. These are my super chunky Steve Madden boots I just got. I haven't worn them out yet, but I feel like these are more of a nighttime kind of thing, so perhaps not. I might just do, also if we're gonna be walking a lot, I want to do something more comfortable. I'm also trying to decide if I want to wear a scarf with this because it is so cold out, and this isn't really like a parka or a puffer, but I also don't know if it would be too much with all this, so let's try it. This is my recent favorite from Lulu's. It just goes with every color I ever wear. Or under this, actually I feel like that kind of works, and then it adds a little bit of warmth and I can like bundle up more. Don't want to freeze. Almost 2 o'clock, which is when my friend has her apartment viewing, and then we'll go from there and find somewhere to go watch the game. Yeah, they're not credible. Oh, they have that drink full up in my hands.
Like it. Why not?